Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Coreldraw and preparing the document. This avoids color and resolution surprises later. First, decide RGB for screen or CMYK for print and set DPI to 300 for high-quality images. Then use File Import to select your image. Import embeds or links the file, choose embedding to keep everything self-contained. Once done, place the cursor where you want the image, click to drop it, or click and drag to size it as you insert it. After placing the image, you adjust scale and position with the pick tool, hold Shift to resize from the center and watch aspect ratio. If you need pixel edits or consistent effects, go to Bitmap's Convert to Bitmap. This flattens layered image formats and prevents unexpected changes. For logos or line art, use Power Trace to vectorize. This gives you crisp, scalable paths. Make sure to preview tracing settings, tweak detail and smoothing until edges look correct before accepting change. To finalize, align and group elements, then check Object Manager to confirm layer order and unlock anything needed. Use File Export for final formats like PDF or PNG, and choose proper export DPI and color profile. If elements shift after export, reopen the exported file to verify. If blurry, make sure the original image had sufficient DPI and re-import at a higher resolution. One quick troubleshooting tip: if tracing produces odd artifacts, reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.